Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about a scam that is going around, and I gotta be honest, this is a damn good, slick scam. So basically what they are doing is they are contacting DoorDash drivers while they are dashing on an order, and they're basically getting your private and personal information. So hopefully you guys can share this video with others because I think it is very important, and I gotta be honest, it's a really good scam. It's pretty slick, and I might fall for it. A lot of other people might fall for it, but after watching this video, hopefully you guys don't fall for it. And just always be careful with anyone who ever calls you. That's just the good preface of this video. And yeah, so let's get started. But first, before we get started, check out the new backdrop. What do you guys think? We're back in Las Vegas right now. I got all the different shoe designs that I've come up with around me. We got the red ninjas, the blue ninjas, we got the Tony Ferguson signature shoes, and we got the new skate shoes right here, and then we got the original model right here. So let me know what you guys think of the new studio / little area that we'll be doing lots of videos and filming. I also have my podcast studio downstairs, but it's kind of a mess, and we'll probably eventually do some of the videos down there as well. But let me know what you guys think of the new backdrop and stuff. Alright, so let's dive into this video. And again, this is a really good scam. So first of all, this guy's name is Daniel Morris. He's a DoorDash driver. Man, this is really good. So Daniel Morris is a DoorDash driver. I believe he's out in Minnesota area. The article is titled DoorDash driver scammed for $1K by sneaky company call pretending to help. First of all, $1K, that's pretty good for a weekly rate, you know? I don't think I've ever really made $100K or $1K in a whole entire week. So good job to you, Daniel Morris. Okay, so imagine hundreds of dollars gone from your account after working so hard to earn that money. And we know as Dashers how hard it is, how hard you work to make that money. So imagine it all disappeared. Well, it happened to Daniel Morris, who earns extra money by delivery for DoorDash. He found out his account was drained after he got a call from a DoorDash representative, but it turned out to be a scammer. Very important. And anytime someone calls you guys, you got to be really wary of this kind of stuff. People call me all the time pretending to be DoorDash, pretending to be the IRS and all kinds of stuff. I just got a call very recently, and my phone, fortunately I have this app called RoboKiller. It is not a video sponsor, but if you look right here, it'll say, hopefully I'm not showing you any weird notifications. Yeah, just random stuff. It'll say potential scammer. I don't know if you can read that. But so apps like the RoboKiller and that kind of stuff, those are great apps that I use. It's not a video sponsor, but maybe I should get them to sponsor this video. But anyway, so RoboKiller's the one that I use. It eliminates 95% of the scams, so you don't have to worry about it. Anyways, and also another thing that would probably be good to know is DoorDash calls generally, I'm not sure if this is for everyone, but for me, they call from a 650 number just about every time. I think every single time it's always a 650 number, but it could be different from you guys, so let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so let's see. Excuse me again. Morris said it all started when he got a call. They said, pull over to a safe area. This is DoorDash. We believe someone has compromised your account, Morris said. Holy crap. He said the caller gave him information about his DoorDash account, which means they're hacking into DoorDash and then getting your information. And we all know, with the Para app going around, it's not that hard to hack into DoorDash's information and stuff. So they said they were able to set up a firewall to prevent them from getting any more information. Morris then got a verification code sent to his phone. Again, this is really slick. This is really, really slick. I gave the caller the verification code. That's probably where you should know that you shouldn't. I don't know. The verification code is for you, not for someone calling you. But again, I might have fallen for this. It's a pretty slick scam. And after that, you pretty much know what's going to happen. So, well, what happened was when it came time for DoorDash to pay Morris, it didn't hit his bank account. So he didn't know for a week later, basically. Or, I don't know, a few days later or so. He called DoorDash to find out why. They told him the payment had gone through without any problems. The nearly $1,000 Morris earned from DoorDash that week went straight to the scammer's bank. as it was the scammer who called Morris days before to pretended to be DoorDash. DoorDash is now speaking out, or Morris is now speaking out to warn others. And so am I. So if you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys share this video with any of your friends so that way they know to not fall for this scam, because if it happened once, it's going to keep happening. I don't want to see anybody else go through this same thing. He tried to work with DoorDash to get his money back, but when it didn't happen, damn you, DoorDash. He got in touch with troubleshooter Diane Wilson. The company provided this statement: DoorDash takes the trust of our community very seriously, and we are committed to the security of those we serve. We have reached out to the Dasher to offer support and reimbursed him for the lost funds. Good job, DoorDash. We appreciate his patience and ensure proper payment to his correct account. So, yeah, at least DoorDash did go through and reimburse him, because, man, that would have sucked if they didn't pay him. DoorDash said the incident is similar to a phishing scam to access Dasher accounts. If Dashers have any questions about their account, they should reach directly to the support team from the app immediately, who can investigate the appropriate actions. The company also adds that they've implemented several changes to help Dasher accounts, or help keep Dasher accounts secure, including protecting payout changes there, or where a two-factor authentication. Those things are so popular nowadays. I have to do like two-factor authentication forms all the time. It's sent out to Dashers and a warning not to share the code with anyone, including DoorDash. Do not even share it with DoorDash. Let's see, blah, blah, blah. The troubleshooter takeaways is: remember that you always need to protect your accounts, anything basically. When you get a call or an email claiming to be a company that there is a problem with your account, just don't hand out your personal information, as is probably a scammer. If you are ever in doubt, you should reach out to the company directly. Now, a few takeaways from this article are: this is most likely going to continue to happen. If this scammer, like now that this scam is out, for those and other scumbags who like to scam people, this just gave them the idea of ways they can just do it and make little micro adjustments to kind of continue to scam people. It's unfortunate that people like to scam, but it's always going to continue to happen. And when people can make money this easily, it is what it is, you know? There's unfortunately people out there who do this kind of crappy stuff. So always just be careful about this stuff. And if someone contacts you from DoorDash, you know, I even think if they contact you from a 650 number, you still should be wary, because it's pretty easy for a scammer to mask their identity and put any kind of area code. So basically, just be careful. Just imagine anything can possibly be a scam, and always be wary about anything. Like the IRS is never going to call you. DoorDash is probably never going to call you and tell you about a firewall and stuff. So the best thing to do is always just hang up the phone if someone calls you and go to DoorDash support. I'm not sure, but I believe DoorDash, almost at least 90% of the time, they don't call me. They contact me through text, usually. Although, no, I guess they have contacted me over phone. But anyways, I don't know. Just be wary of basically anything. Don't believe anything. Go, hang up the phone and contact them yourself. It's probably the best choice to do in this situation. So, again, if you guys haven't yet, please consider sharing this video with others, and also smash the like button so this video gets pushed up to the top of the algorithm, so that way other Dashers can see what's going on and hopefully not fall for this scam. Also, last thing, if you guys haven't yet, check out my footwear company. Obviously, we got all the shoes around me. Most of the models are up here. Personally, my favorite is probably the white Ninjas, as well as the white high-top skate shoes. But if you guys haven't yet, go to offaxisathletics.com and use the discount code OFFAXISTanner for 30% off. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next one. Peace. Drive safe.